So perhaps the most criminal part of this video is the fact I've never had Swedish meatballs, and that includes the ones from IKEA. But today that all changes. I'm travelling all the way from my humble abode in Oxford to the capital of Sweden, Stockholm. Stockholm has the biggest IKEA in Europe, and so what better place to try meatballs than the homeland of IKEA, Sweden. I hope you enjoy. So it was at this point that I got distracted from making my interlude, so I ended up just kicking ice into the river because I found out it wouldn't melt. But yeah, I had quite a lot of fun doing this, I have to say. Basically, man's got Swedish meatballs for the first time ever. So I've got some cranberry sauce. By the looks of it, yeah, cranberry sauce. The meatballs in question and a little bit of mashed potatoes. So without further ado, and it only cost me 66 krona, and that's with an ice cream to finish off as well. So hot. Pleasantly surprised actually. I didn't think they'd be that nice, but here we are. Skål. That's how I say cheers in Swedish. Normally that's for alcoholic drinks, but just meatballs and mashed potato and peas. That is actually really nice. I like cranberry sauce. So after I spent some more time absolutely decimating the meatballs, mashed potatoes, peas and cranberry sauce, it was time for the ice cream. Oh shit. Poured milk in my cone. Whoops. This looks more like what I wanted. I think I'll put that there. That is possibly one of the most awkward interactions I've ever had. Anyway, let's give the ice cream a taste. That is lovely. It's even, I'm not sure if it was good as a milk. I mean, I did get some free milk. Better than the milk I had this morning, I'll tell you that for free. So after my ice cream, which was of course very, very scrumptious, I took the metro back home, and here's a couple of clips for you to see. Obviously because I was a bit full up and I couldn't be asked to walk home. But yeah, this metro, one of the best things about Stockholm. I actually love watching it. Like, there's so many cool patterns and stuff. So yeah, it's a must do if you're in Stockholm. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, smash the like button. You know, around here, also subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.